Hello guys, Crypto Boo here, and that's another video from the Mega Profits channel. Well, will the coronavirus kill Bitcoin? Will it kill all of us? And will the financial markets fall? If you want to find out, keep on watching this video. I'll try to answer some of these questions as good as I can. As you all know, Bitcoin has been retracing quite nicely for the last days, and today is one really important day. We are hours away from the monthly close. So, how are we going to close? This is the top question today. And as of now, we don't seem too bad. We are still moving in this cup and handle formation, but this cup and handle formation is more of a wishful thinking, yeah? I don't like that Bitcoin is moving below the 200 days moving average, and I do think that we might have some more downside to come, yes? Even if this happens, you should not overreact. As of now, the whole situation with the coronavirus is really bad. This possible pandemic situation is really hurting the economy and the financial markets as a whole. But as of now, this what is happening to the crypto market, and that what Bitcoin is printing right now is nothing more than a normal correction. So before jumping the gun and saying that was it, we're done, we should not be too pessimistic, yeah? Try to stay focused and not to give in to the FUD, because right now FUD is on every corner, yes? As you can see, if we do manage to stay into the cup and handle formation, we might consolidate a little bit more, then try to go above the 200 days moving average, stay like this, and then keep on going. Test the resistance here, up, test the neckline, go above the neckline, test the neckline, and then go up again. Even if this does not happen and we do touch the 100 days moving average, which is around 8,200, you should not be way too hesitant on your decision to stay in crypto again. That's not a financial advice, but it's a fact that up until now, crypto has never experienced a pandemic situation, and on top of that, there was never a situation where the normal markets, the normal financial markets, were on the brink of a huge financial crisis, and we do not know how crypto will behave. The most common assumption is that it's going to go down because who is going to invest into magic online money when the whole economy is crashing and all these works are getting destroyed and no new places are opened and most of the people are fired? Yes, it sounds bad, but we never saw how crypto behaves in such situations. So you'd better have some exposure. Be smart, don't go all in and don't use too much leverage trading, this will ruin you. But be smart and don't give in to the FUD. Let's remove all drawings here. If you watch at the bigger picture here, Bitcoin is moving in this nice triangle formation here. We are close to the trend line, but not as close as I'd like to. So it's quite possible that we even break below the 100 days moving average, touch the trend line, which is around 7,600, and then bounce back up. If we do it like this, you'll see it's better. And we might even consolidate some more here while altcoins are having a relief and then go up. But until we break this trend line, and this support here, I would suggest that you stay calm and see how things turn out, and stay safe. That's probably the most important, yeah. But until this trend line is broken, and I would even suggest until even if we go for the lower 6,000, lower 7,000s, I still won't be too afraid. But let's see how this plays out. Again, stay safe. Uh, know that this is all FUD up until now, and everything in Bitcoin is registering as a normal correction right now. And we might as well have a beautiful year ahead of us, and this to be the final shakeout. Be safe, enjoy your trading, and bye.